make the marination for the lamb. So here I have some chopped garlic. Here I have some chopped thyme. I'm gonna add some rosemary, chopped rosemary, some turmeric, just a little bit, half teaspoon. Then we're gonna add some salt, 2 spoons, 2.5 spoons. So around 2 pound lamb rack we have. So we're gonna add some olive oil here, and we're gonna add some ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add some paprika, around this much. Then we're gonna just mix it up. Beautiful. It looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Okay. This marination is ready. So we're cutting the lamb right here. Okay. We're gonna grill them, marinated for like 30 to 40 minutes. Then we're gonna grill them. So I like medium to well lamb chop. So here is the marination I have. This is mild one. Later one I'm gonna make spicy. I'm gonna add some chili pepper, black pepper. But I know this for the kids, so it's gonna be mild. So let's marinate. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Wow. So beautiful. So beautiful. Nice.
Yeah, I took it. I don't know.
Here. Burn everything. Wow. Beautiful. I got some charcoals. I got some wood. Perfect combination. Alright, we're gonna turn them and look how they. Oh, beautiful color here. Wow. Wow. It is beautiful color in here. So we're gonna cook them slowly. These lamb chops for the kids. It's ready. Guys, you guys are hungry? Yeah. Alright, ready for some lamb chops? Ready. I'll give you 2 pieces first. The well done one. You guys wanna taste it? Hold this one. Hold this one. Not hot. It's not hot. Yeah, it's not hot. Yeah, I'll hold it. You take it. How you like it?